Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a button or how to make a button here in Penpot. Okay, so first up, go ahead and open up your file. Now, should it be a circular button or a rectangle button? Just click on rectangle, just for example, and draw a rectangle. And once that's done, if you want to make it prettier, like you wanted to do it just the radius right here or the corners, okay, just go ahead and go to this section, okay, and change it to maybe 100. There you go. Now what you'll do next is just click on the object and change the color if you want to. Okay, maybe like that. And then add in a text. Click on a space. Now go ahead and add in your text. Okay, make sure to select your specific font right here. Let's say this one I uploaded. Okay, I'm going to type down press me. Then I'm going to make it bigger right here. Maybe 72 like so. There you go. Move it. Change the spacing however you want. Add in some strokes, shadows, blur. And once that's done, you're going to want to group it. Select both the object and the text. Right click and group. Okay. And after that, if you want to use it in your other projects, okay, you can just right click on it and click on create component. There you go. And it will be added right here under your components. Okay. And you can just easily manage your library and add in the specific file. Okay. Just click on the plus sign, add it. Just make sure that you publish it first right here. Okay. Before you can add in the plus sign in the new project or your other projects. That is it. Change the interaction right here if you want to. On click, will it move to where? Depends on you. But that's just how you make a simple button here in Penpot. But if you want to as well, you can go ahead and use Penpot templates. Okay. Just go to libraries and templates right here. Download the specific file that got a button. Okay. Go to libraries and templates like so. Download and import it, and it will look like this. And if you don't know how to do so, we have a separate video about it. Just look it up on the channel, how to add icons in Penpot. You'll be able to see a full tutorial. Okay, so maybe this one, just for example, assets, a circum icons right here. Maybe I have buttons. I don't think so. Okay, once you have added your library, you can just go ahead and drag and drop and use a icon as a button. Okay, well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.